A mixture of these products made my bathroom sparkling clean, and I would like to show you how I mixed them. So the first product was vinegar. Vinegar is an non-toxic cleaner and it kills molds in bathroom tiles because of its acidity, and which is strong enough to get rid of stubborn stains and deposits. The second one was bicarbonate soda. This one also cleans well if mixed with water and vinegar. The third one was hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide also helps to remove dirt on surfaces and also when cleaning clothes. The fourth one is the bleach. Bleach, it leaves the surface shining and sparkling because of its agents of bleaching. And also I use this bathroom cleaner which removes stubborn stains on surfaces. Then make sure you have the spraying bottle and you add water in it. Also you'll need a powder soap. I used Toast. So that's all I used, and also you need some brush that will help you to clean the tiles. Yeah, so I hope you've watched my previous video and you've seen how my bathroom was clean after using this solution. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can leave a thumbs up, and bye bye, see you next time.